Welcome to Pacta Cobol Lab. Behind this channel is Alain Stevens, an IT consultant who has been supporting businesses since 1999 through Pacta 360. His work focuses on helping entrepreneurs, SMEs, and professionals understand and leverage technology to improve performance, security, and long-term strategy. What makes this project different is its perspective. This is not a channel created by a COBOL developer speaking only to other developers. It is the vision of a consultant, a professional who observes technologies over time, analyzes their strengths, their limits, and their real-world applications. And from that perspective, COBOL stands out as a powerful yet misunderstood solution. Today, COBOL still runs critical systems in banking, insurance, and public administration. It is known for its reliability, its structured approach to data, and its ability to handle large-scale transactions. Yet it is increasingly absent from modern education. And when it is taught, it is often presented in a rigid, overly technical way, disconnected from real business use cases. This creates a gap. Companies still rely on COBOL, but fewer people truly understand how to use it effectively. Pacta Cobol Lab was created to bridge that gap. Through the experience of Alain Stevens and the Pacta 360 approach, this channel explores how COBOL can go beyond the traditional mainframe environment and how it can be adapted to new contexts, including small and medium-sized businesses. Because COBOL is not just a legacy language. It is a way of structuring information, building stable systems, and ensuring reliability over time, qualities that remain highly valuable in today's digital landscape. On this channel, you will discover a progressive and accessible way to learn COBOL concrete applications for real business scenarios, new ways to think about COBOL outside the mainframe, and strategic insights from a consulting perspective. Pacta Cobol Lab invites you to rediscover COBOL, not as a technology of the past, but as a practical and strategic opportunity for the present and the future.